You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar rallied on Thursday after positive employment data and better than expected third quarter GDP brought forward expectation of an early taper. The greenback ended at 1.3418 to the euro and 98.08 to the yen. The main data released today is non-farm payrolls, which is expected to show a rise of 125,000 in October. Next, to the euro. The euro fell on Thursday after the ECB Governing Council decided to reduce its base lending rate to 0.25% in response to recent deflationary data and poor unemployment figures. The single currency ended at 1.3418 to the dollar and 131.61 to the yen. Today's data includes German trade data, including the trade balance, which is expected to rise to 15.4 billion in September. British pound. The pound rose on Thursday after the BOE kept policy unchanged at their monthly rate meeting, in stark contrast to the ECB, which reduced base lending rates. Sterling ended at 1.6095 to the dollar and 0.8336 to the euro. Today's data includes UK trade figures, which are expected to show a fall in the deficit in September to negative 2.7 billion from negative 3.3 billion previously. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Thursday after ECB action to reduce base lending rates stoked all fears about the state of the economy in the Eurozone, increasing safety flows to the yen. The Japanese currency ended at 98.08 to the dollar and 157.86 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signal from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions at 1.344 with 1.3345 and 1.3295 as next targets. The upside penetration of 1.346, which will call for a rebound towards 1.3495 and 1.3545. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.6055 with 1.6115 and 1.6014 as next target. The downside penetration of 1.6055, which will call for 1.601 and 1.5098. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 98.55 with 97.8 and 97.45 inside. The upside penetration of 98.55, which will call for a rebound towards 98.85 and 99. Good luck and happy trading. Tune on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.